See today trigonometry chapter revision. So your question name that questions. Okay. See in this first question. See in this first question, page number 54 1. Say find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. Corresponding to the following degree measure. Okay, degree measure. Converting into degree measure. So here first here find the radian measure here. Okay, radian measure. So here first here take this first one here in this solution here. Say 25 degrees. So here in this 25 degrees is equal to, so find the radian measure. So here in the given data is degree measure is given. So here in this 25 degrees is equal to here 25 into here radian measure. Radian measure is pi by 180. Okay, pi by 180 radians. Okay, radians. Pi by 180 radians. So here 5 times. Here 5 3 times, 6 times. Okay, right? So that is equal to here 5 pi by 36. Okay, 5 pi by 36 radians. Okay, right? Radians. First question answer. Say one more time. So find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. So here first question 25 degrees. Here 25 degrees is equal to 25 into here radian measure multiply pi by 180. So here 5 times. Here 5 36 times. That is equal to 5 pi by 36 radians. Okay. Next second question. See in the second question. So here 240 degrees. Here 240 degrees is equal to, so here that is 240 into here pi by 180. 240 into pi by 180. Okay. So here 6. Here 0 cancel. Next time 6 4 times. Here 6 3 times. So that is equal to here 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 radians. So in the second one. So here 240 degrees. 240 degrees is equal to 240 into here radian measure pi by 180 multiply. So here 0 get cancel. 6 4 times 6 3 times. That is equal to 4 pi by 3. Right? One more time write this question. Practice this question. Okay, right. Next second one. So in this next second question, find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. So here find the degree measure. Here find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. So here in the solution here, in the solution, say in this third question here, see here 5 pi by, here 5 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3 radians is equal to, here find a degree measure. Degree measure means multiply 180 by pi. Say here 5 pi by 3 into here 180 by 180 degrees by here pi. So here pi get cancel here. Here see 3 6 times. Okay, 3 6 times. Here 0. So here 5 into 6. That is equal to here 300 degrees. 300 degrees. See here first question 5 pi by 3. So 5 pi by 3 into here degree measure. Degree measure is pi by 180 pi. Okay, 180 by pi. So here pi get cancel here. 3 60 times. So 5 into 60, 300 degrees. Next, see here in this fourth one. So in this fourth one, here 7 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6 radians is equal to, in terms of degrees, so that is 7 pi by 6 into, so here 180 by pi, 180 by pi. So here pi get cancelled here. So here 6 3 times, okay, 6 3 times. So that is 7 into 3. So that is equal to here 210 degrees. Okay. So in the second one is here find the degree measure. Find the degree measure. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. So here in this third one, see here first 5 pi by 3 is equal to 5 pi by 3 into 180 by pi. Okay, degree measure multiply 180 by pi. So pi get cancelled here, 3 6 times. So 5 into 60, 300 degrees. Next fourth one, 7 pi by 6. So 7 pi by 6 into, so multiply 180 by pi. So here 6 3 times. So 7 into 3, 210 degrees. Okay. Write this question. Right, next question. See in this next question here. So in a circle of diameter, 40 centimeters, the length of the chord is 20 centimeters. So find the length of the minor arc of the chord. See here. In a circle diameter 40 centimeters diameter. So first take circle here. This is the circle. So in this diameter is 40 centimeters. So this is the center. Center is C. Okay. So here 40. Here 40 means this is 20. This is also 20. Okay, right? Diameter. Next, length of the chord is 20 centimeters. Length of the chord. Take one chord here. This chord length is in this given at 20 centimeters. Okay, chord. So here find the length of the minor arc of the chord. Minor arc. So here minor arc means this is AB. So this is the arc. Okay, this is the arc. We calculate length of the arc. Length of the arc is L. L is equal to AB. Okay. So that is L, length of the arc. So this is the center. So this is the radius. So this is also radius. See, this is also radius. This is also radius. So this is also 20. This is also 20 radius. Okay. So here these length of three sides are equal. So here this triangle form an equilateral angle. So here in this angle is 60 degrees. Okay, this angle is 60 degrees. So 60 degrees converting into radian measure, 60 degrees is equal to here 60 into pi by 180. So here 0.063 times. So that is equal to pi by 3 radians. Okay, pi by 3 radians in this angle. So in this question, find the length of the minor arc of the chord. Minor arc. So here length of the minor arc of the chord formula. So here L is equal to length of the arc. L is equal to r theta. L is equal to r theta. So where r is the radius, theta is the this angle, radian measure. So here first here in the solution. So first diameter. So in this diameter is here, this is the diameter. Okay. So here in this radius is 20. Okay. So in this by data, see here in this by data r is equal to radius r is equal to here 20 centimeters r value. So next, so in this angle here, in this substitute angle is theta is equal to, see here. So here ABC, here form an equilateral angle. Form an equilateral triangle. So in the subtended angle is theta is equal to, so here therefore theta is equal to here 60 degrees. So in terms of radians, so 60 degrees is equal to here pi by 3 radians. Okay, pi by 3 radians. So next here find the length of minor arc of the chord. So here therefore here length of minor arc. So length of minor arc is length of minor arc of the chord. Okay, length of the minor arc of the chord. So that is L is equal to here r into theta. So this is the length of the arc. So replace here. So therefore L is equal to r theta. Here r value 20 centimeters into here theta value. Here theta value is pi by 3 radians. So here therefore L is equal to length of the arc. L is equal to here 20 pi by 3 radians. This is the length of the arc. Okay, write this question practice one time. Okay, next question. So here in this next question, so here if in two circles arcs of same length, subtended angles 60 degrees and 75 degrees at the center, find the ratio of their radii. Find the ratio of their radii. So here in this given data, arcs of same length, subtended angle 60 and 75 degrees. So first diagram. See, this is the first one, this is the second one. So here first here subtended angle 60 degrees. So here take one arc here. Okay, this is the arc. Okay, this is the center is O. Okay, right? So here in this angle, first angle is 60 degrees. So the center is here, this is also O. So take another sector. So in this angle is 75 degrees. So here arcs of same length. So in this lengths are equal. This length is L1. This length is here L2. Length of arc. This length of arc. Okay, this length of arc L2. So by data, these lengths are equal. So here find their ratio of their radii. So in this radius is R1, this radius is R2. Okay, right. First here in this solution here, first write given data here. So lengths of the arc is L1, L2. Okay, see here. So here let lengths of the arc, okay, lengths of the arcs L1 and L2. Okay, right? L1 and L2. Next here in this by data. So here by data. So first here theta 1 is equal to 60 degrees. That is equal to 60 degrees is equal to 60 into here pi by 180. So this will get cancelled here 3 times. So that is equal to pi by 3 radians. Next here second one, theta 2 is equal to here 75 degrees. Okay, 75 degrees is equal to here 75 into here pi by 180. 75 into pi by 180. So here in this value here 5 1 time 5 times, next one 5 3 times, 5 6 times. Okay, right? Here 3 12 times, here 3 5 times. So that is equal to here 5 pi by 12 theta 2. So here find the ratio of their radii. Okay, see here in this by data. So here in this given data, arcs of same length means L1 is equal to L2. See here in this given data, here L1 is equal to here L2. L1 is equal to L2 means L is equal to R theta. So L1 is equal to R1 theta 1. L2 is equal to here R2 theta 2. So here find the ratio of their ratio. So in this ratio is R1 by R2. R1 by R2 is equal to here theta 2 by here theta 1. So that is equal to here theta 2. Here theta 2 value 5 pi by 12. Here 5 pi by here 12 by next theta 1. Theta 1 is pi by 3. Here pi by 3. So that is equal to here 5 pi by 12 into in reciprocal here 3 by pi. So here pi get cancelled here 3 4 times. So that is equal to here 5 by 4. 5 by 4. So therefore in this ratio, therefore R1 is to R2. R1 is to R2 is equal to here 5 is to 4. This is the answer. One more time. See here, if in two circles, arcs of same length, subtended an angle 60 degrees and 75 degrees at the center. So find the ratio of their radii. So first here given data. Arcs of same length here. So in this first arc, see here first arc L1, second arc is L2. These two are equal given data. Next to subtended angles here 60 degrees. Here this is 75 degrees. So in this first circle, in this radius R1, this radius is R2. So first let lengths of the arcs L1 and L2. Okay, L1 and L2 lengths of the arcs. Next by data, here first theta 1 is equal to 60 degrees. So here 60 into in terms of radians pi by 180. So here 3 times. Okay, 3 times. So here pi by 3. Next theta 2 is equal to 75 degrees. So 75 into pi by 180. So here 25 see here 5 15 times here 36 times. Okay, next time 36 5 get cancelled 5 pi by 12. So here in this given data, here arcs of same length means L1 is equal to L2. So L1 is equal to R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. So here find their ratio. So here R1 by R2 is equal to theta 2 by theta 1. Theta 2 value 5 pi by 12 by pi by 3. So here in reciprocal. So pi get cancelled here. Here 3 4 times. So that is 5 by 4. So therefore R1 is to R2 is equal to 5 is to 4. Okay. One time practice this question. Right, next question. See here in this next question, find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings its length is 75 centimeters. Okay, 75 centimeters. And the tip describes an arc of length 10 centimeters. First one. So find the angle in radian. Find the angle in radian. See here simple pendulum. So here right, see here length of here in this length is 75 centimeters. So this is 75 here centimeters. Okay, this length is 75 centimeters. Next, tip describes an arc of length. Arc of length is 10 centimeters. So in this length is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters in this length. So here find the angle in radian. So here in this angle. So we calculate here theta value. So in this first one. So in the solution here. So first here in this given data. Right, first given data. So this is the radius, okay, R value. This is the L value. So here in this given data, first one, here in this first question here, So here in this given data, so here r is equal to 75 centimeters, and here in this value is L. So L is equal to 10 centimeters. L is equal to 10 centimeters. So here find the angle in radian. So here we calculate theta is equal to here in this value. So here we know that L is equal to r theta. So here we calculate theta value. Here theta is equal to L by r. So replace these values here. So that is theta is equal to L. Here L value is 10 by R value is 75. Okay, R value is 75. Okay, 10 by 75 radians. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay. Next is same. Second one also same. 15 centimeters here. So same ditto here. So here 15 centimeters means this is 15 here. This one is same. Here this is 75 centimeters. This is 15. Okay. Next also same ditto. Okay. One time practice this question. Okay. Next question. Right, say next in the second one. Say in the second one. Say first here diagram. Say this length is 75 centimeters. So here in this length of the arc is 15 centimeters. So here we calculate this theta value. Right, so here first here find the angle in radian. Okay, so first here length of the radius. Okay, this one is r is equal to, here in this given data r is equal to here 75 centimeters. Next, and here L is equal to 15 centimeters. So here we calculate theta value. Theta is equal to, so here we know that here L is equal to r theta. So that implies theta is equal to here L by r. So replace these values. Theta is equal to L value is 15 by r value is 75 degrees. Okay. So 15 5 times. So that is equal to here 1 by 5 radians. Okay, 1 by 5 radians. Okay, this is the answer. These all are first exercise problems. Okay. So one time you also practice today one more time all problems. Okay. Today class finish. Okay.